Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix Face ID not working in iPhone 17 Air. So let's start the video. First of all, go to app library. Now here click on utilities folder. Now here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down. You will see Face ID and passcode. So click on Face ID and passcode. Enter your phone passcode. Swipe down, set up Face ID. Rotate your face, get start, show your face. After the showing, your Face ID is done. So hope so your Face ID is working. So that's how you can Face ID not working in iPhone 17 Air. Hope so you like the video. Thanks for watching.